Nothing magic about changing your exercise. Oh, it's changed the exercise, so I'm going to grow now. No, it just knows when it's been put under so much stress that it needs to react and needs to grow. It won't know which fucking exercise you're doing. It just knows if it's under stress. So if you've got exercises that work for you that's effective, i.e. isolation leg curl, compound stiff leg deadlift, I do this routine every time for fucking 12 years. 20 years. It doesn't matter. You don't need to change it. That's all.
2 yil oldin mana shu temada video qilganimda ko'pchilik xeytlarga, har xil masxaralarga sabab bo'lgan. Dvaynoy sizlarga mana shax emas, dvaynoy, ya'ni birinchisi ilmiy tadqiqotlar tomonidan isbot, ikkinchisi mana Luty Golden Era'ni legenda bodybuilderlardan bo'lgan Dorian Yates'ning fikri. Mashqlar agar komfortli bo'lsa, progress berayotgan bo'lsa, o'zingizlarga yoqsa, o'sish bo'lsa, ularni almashtirish kerak emas. Mushaklar absolyutni bilmaydi biz qanaqa mashq qilayotganimizni. Mushak faqat stressni his qiladi, mexanik zo'riqishni his qiladi. Agar hamma narsa sifatli bo'lsa, shunchaki o'sish bilan javob qaytaradi. Mashqlarni almashtirib, mushaklarni qo'rqitish, shokka tushirish, aldash shart emas. Bu prosta umrlaringni bekorga ketkazasizlar.